Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her monthly basket for the month of April. It's going to have a combination of fragrance, skincare, and a couple of makeup. In the spring time frame, a lot of my skincare products would have to be shifted off to a whole different type of rotation because my skin normally loses its mind, and the oils are just out of whack. So I have to shift gears and switch out a lot of products, and I'm here to show you a couple of them. For toning, I've used this is from Dollar Tree, the Assure Witch Hazel. This is very strong, by the way. It's very powerful, and it really goes in deep down into the pores and really clean it out. So this is a recommendation. I don't know, probably a lot of people do recommend it, but this is really good if you're looking to find a toner that just really deep cleans into the pore. Absolutely. This is from the Dollar Tree, by the way. I get this e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist, especially if you're doing like a day outing. This is on my face right now. And also I've been using it just to help with melting the concealer that I have for the dark spots too. And then yeah, the spray, the mist part is really heavy, so you just have to be mindful of that. Other than that, it's pretty good. I've had to switch out to this Murad Rapid Aging Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum because I've just been having these breakouts on the outer corners, and this has been helping it. I've been putting this on twice a day. And I've seen some improvements so far, so I'm really excited about this. This is my first time trying it. And then I had to switch out my clearance. I had to switch it out, my cleanser as well. I had to get into clearance again, so I had to dig it somewhere in the house, and then I found it. And this has been helping me a lot with the additional oils that I've been getting so far for spring. And that is my little skincare. No, here's another one. The Shishudo, the Wrinkle Resist Intensive Eye Contour Cream. This has been helping me during the month of March, where I have completely lost my mind, and then still in the process of it. Hopefully it's changing for the month of, hopefully God is willing to change it to my favor, where it's just going to be a very positive atmosphere, and that shift shall start in April. But this has been helping me a lot, and definitely would recommend. Now that we're getting into fragrance, which is just one, it's going to be the Incognito. This is another fragrance that I'll be using again for the month of for spring. So this is another one. I have another one too. It's a Chanel that I use a lot, but I have to scale back on that too, and then I'll start adding both of them in the rotations for spring. I finally found my lippies for spring. It took me a minute to find them, but I have to. I have Kim and Kiki. These are two beautiful colors for spring, and can't wait to try those. My lip gloss the Glaze Lip Paint by LA Girl. This is amazing too. I have 3 of them. I don't know where the other ones are. I feel like they're in bags. And the final thing is going to be my little MAC eyeshadow. It's beautiful, perfect for work every day. And I love it. Alright, you guys. And that is my little basket for the month of April that I'll have in rotation. I'm going to keep in this cute little bag that I got from somebody's baby shower, so that it will have me use them up and know their locations and things of that nature. Okay, and that's my monthly basket, and hopefully you guys have a wonderful month of April, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.